Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS again. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your boobs oil. Okay, so this oil is going to enhance your front side, it's going to increase it, it's going to firm it, and it's going to lift your boobs. Okay, so basically the work of this oil is to lift and firm your boobs. That's basically the work. So this oil I'm about to make is a 3-in-1 oil. It's going to firm your boobs, it's going to lift it, and it's also going to repair. Because from my research I find out that most of the saggy boobs usually end up with this wrinkle like texture, like marks, stretch marks and all that. So 90% of saggy breast has stretch marks, has a form of wrinkle and all that. So this oil is going to cater for all that. It's going to treat the marks, it's going to firm, it's going to lift, and it's going to repair. So if this is what you are interested in, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so let's just dive into the video. Our online body enhancement training is ongoing, so we're going to be teaching you all the recipe in full, all the recipe for your boobs, for your butt and hip, for flat tummy, for everything about body enhancement. You want that curve, you want that hourglass shape, just register for our online training for the body enhancement. I'll be explaining to you my ingredients. So I'll just be showing you my ingredients I'm going to be mixing together for my infusion. So the first thing on my list is ginger. So guys, this is ginger oil. This is ginger powder. So I'm going to be needing this, followed by black seed. This is black cumin seed. And the next thing on my list is I'm going to be needing my fenugreek seed. Then I'm going to be needing clove. This is my clove, the clove powder. Then I'm going to be needing fennel. This is fennel seed. I'm going to be needing coriander. This is coriander. I'm going to be needing coriander. And I will also be needing flaxseed. This is flaxseed. And I'll also be needing green tea. This is green tea. We're needing green tea. And lastly, I'll be needing this. This is lavender repair essence. So I'll also be needing this. Then I have my bottle. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this spoon to measure my herbs. So this, I'm going to be needing 1 spoon of flaxseed, 1 spoon of coriander, 1 spoon of fenugreek, 1 spoon of fennel, half spoon of ginger powder, 1 spoon of cumin, black seed, and quarter spoon of clove. Then when I'm done infusing, I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of my lavender repair serum. That will be the last thing I'll be adding. So I'm going to show you my double boiling method to see how I infused my oils. Then I'm going to be using one label of this, 1 sachet of this green tea. So I'm going to be using 1 sachet of this. Okay guys, so I'm going to be straining I'm going to be straining my oils. So here is my double boiling method. What I did was after measuring my herbs, I used my blender to blend this. So after processing it for a while, it's not going to be too smooth, so that you can get the herbs, the particles away from the oil when you want to strain. So after doing that, you're just going to turn it into a heat-proof container. Then you add your oil. So I actually used olive oil, then I used sunflower oil to do this. Okay, so you just make sure that the oil is way above the herbs, then you put it in a double boiler. So this is my double boiling method. I have a boiling water, then I placed my heat-proof container in that boiling water. Then you're going to keep stirring. So I actually did this for more than 1 hour, but I stirred every 60 seconds just to mix in the herbs. So after 1 hour, I'm going to strain out the herbs. Then I'll add my castor oil and my olive oil. Then lastly, I'm going to add my lavender repair serum. So when your infusion is cooled down, then you can actually add your lavender repair essence. So guys, if you are interested in training with us, register with the number shown on the screen. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time there's a video coming from me. How to use this oil? Well, you're going to massage it into your boobs, the upper and the lower side of your boobs, avoiding your nipples. So you're going to do that like 2 times in a day. You massage on your palm when it's hot, then you massage on your boobs up and down. You massage in an upward motion towards your shoulder. Do not massage downward to avoid further sagging. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then you wash off after 15 to 20 minutes. This is the outcome of my oil after making it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.